Here's a look at and demonstration of my Jackery Explorer 1000 and my portable 800-watt electric kettle. The Jackery is a battery power pack or portable generator, and the reason why I got this particular kettle is because the Jackery can power things up to 1000 watts, and this way I can still enjoy my coffee during power outages. To turn the Jackery on, you hit the display here, and then you're going to select the AC outlets. And since this is at the higher end of what the Jackery can do, I'm going to use a surge protector just in case. So it took a little over 3 minutes to boil water, and the kettle usually takes about 3 minutes with the wall outlet. So the Jackery did a good job with this, and now I know I can use these two together to make coffee during power outages.